hoist crane that handles large and heavy objects more efficiently. Korea Hoist manufactures not only electric wire hoists, but also explosion-proof hoists that can be used in areas where prevention of explosion is needed. An electric wire hoist that can be used in various domestic and overseas factories and fields. With its own technology, Korea Hoist can manufacture hoists weighing from 1 ton up to 400 tons. Also, Hoist depends on customized specifications with its own technology. In addition to the electric wire hoist, Korea Hoist produces an explosion-proof hoist that can be applied to explosion hazard areas where general electric wire hoists cannot be used, such as gas, petrochemical, and offshore areas. Certified by ATEX, the International Explosion Proof Certification, CE, and TRCU, as well as having domestic safety certification, the explosion-proof hoist can be used in any area around the world, as well as in domestic power generation and chemical plant areas. Along with hoists, Korea Hoist also manufactures various kinds of cranes according to customized specifications. Monorail hoist that moves along a fixed course. Overhead crane that moves along a rail installed in the upper part of a building. Suspension crane that moves with a driving beam installed on the ceiling of a building. Gantry crane that moves along a rail installed on the floor of a place with no building. Jib crane and wall crane, which are installed on the wall of a building or a separate column. Air hoist crane, which uses air to pneumatic power. Because they are manufactured with diverse technology such as explosion-proof and corrosion resistance technology, the various kinds of cranes can be used in any domestic or foreign and land or offshore areas, along with offshore fields. From small factories to large industrial plants, Korea Hoist has contributed to boosting work efficiency and productivity, as well as customer competitiveness. As a leader in the plant industry, Korea Hoist has established itself as a representative brand in the hoist crane field. Certified by ATEX, CE, and TRCU, Korea Hoist is producing and supplying material handling system optimized not only for domestic and overseas power plants, but also for gas, petrochemistry, and power plants, seawater desalination plants, and offshore plants. Explosion-proof hoist and crane that can be used in areas with explosion hazards. An air hoist that reinforces safety by using compressed air instead of electricity. An air hoist, air winch, and chain block that can be used even in harsh ocean conditions, including rust and corrosion. Thanks to its world-class technology, Korea's hoist plant-specified products such as a pump lifter, which is optimized for LNG and LPG gas terminals, enable customers to raise work efficiency and to do safer and speedier work. Korea Hoist is advancing to become a global company in partnership with leading domestic and overseas EPC companies. As a frontrunner in the conveying and hoisting machinery field, it will ceaselessly communicate with customers and lead the plant industry.